Hi there, you're watching Fish Finally, where we aim to bring you up to date on the latest and best in the world of fishing. From essentials like fish finders, fishing rods and reels, to accessories like fishing gloves or backpacks, we have something for everyone. We test them in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For a fishing enthusiast looking for helpful buying guides, nothing could be better than Fish Finally.
Any fisherman wants to know the weight of his catch. You can share your results with friends or set your personal record. You may need such scales if you catch certain species of fish. By law, they must be of the right size and length for storage. To know more about which fish scale to buy, check out our guide video on the 7 best fish scale that is available right now. If you are using any of the fish scales, then what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments.
Next up on our list is something you should really give a shot. It has really attractive features and great value for the money.
Number 7. Strikebait Digital Fish Scale. Whether you're a recreational angler or a serious competitor, this Strikebait digital fish scale works like a champ to weigh your catch quickly, easily, and accurately in kilograms and pounds. The accurate digital scale comes with a built-in 36 inches tape measure that can weigh big catches and gets down to 0.01 pound increments for accuracy. It is great for trophy anglers and fishing tournaments. Hang fish on the hook with one hand and hold the scale using the comfortable non-slip handle with the other. This scales lock in thrashing weight in seconds for fast, effortless measuring. The compact and lightweight design with a retractable handle and hook stowage on the back means the scale is easy and convenient to transport or stow away when not in use. It features a heavy-duty ABS casing, a sturdy metal handle with a non-slip grip, and a strong, rust-resistant stainless steel hanging hook. The large, backlit LCD screen features an easy-to-read digital display for use during the day or evening. It is also perfect for bright, sunny days or night fishing. Number 6. Berkley Fish Scale. If you are looking for a water-resistant construction with an ergonomic body design, then Berkley will not disappoint you. With 50 weight capacity, this scale is perfect for measuring small/medium-sized catches. Yet, the most distinguishing feature is the tear feature, which allows for the combined weight of multiple fish. This Berkley fish scale is constructed with water-resistant material. It is designed with an angled handle that fits perfectly into your palm. It is more comfortable to grip than most models, especially when weighing extra-large catches. It can weigh up to 50 pounds and is built from quality materials to ensure that it's durable and offers the highest level of resistance to water. This fish scale has an auto-culling feature that can store up to 10 weights in memory and can instantly help you assess your total of the day. If you're looking for a fishing scale that offers great accuracy, Berkley Digital Fishing Scale will never let you down.
Let's start the ball rolling with the best budget option that will not skimp on any desired features.
Number 5. ReelSonar Digital Fish Scale. Are you going out to fish with your regular measuring scale? Why not add a digital device that ensures accuracy in the weight of the fish too? This ReelSonar digital fish scale can make it happen. It's equipped with one large digital LCD screen. You're sure to receive pinpoint measurements with no error ensured. It offers durability with a plastic body and stainless steel hook. With the materials, you find it effortless to transfer, use, and clean. Moreover, you can use it for an extensive range of scaling too. For that, it can weigh up to 45 kilograms with no issue. While using it, all you need is to insert a AAA type of battery. It makes the device last for 500 hours of use. Thus, your gear will go a long way even inside the water. It contains an easy-to-use fish mouth gripper. It relieves you from extra hand pain with its cozy grip design. Number 4. Rapala Touchscreen Fish Scale. Rapala has been catering to the needs of serious anglers for generations, and it's no surprise that they produce excellent fishing scales. Their touchscreen tournament scale is among the best digital options, and from a top-notch gripper to the full functions you need in a competition, you'll appreciate what it has to offer. This Rapala Touch Fish Scale adds ease and convenience to weighing and tracking your catch. It is packed with features, yet intuitive in use. It has a simple hang catch from the heavy-duty composite clamp, or included stainless steel hook to view weight. The tap on one of 8 storage locations to enter fish into memory and add to the total catch weight. This fish scale runs up to 400 hours on 2 AA batteries. It also comes with backup memory that retains stored data if battery power is lost. Its LCD touchscreen is packed with several features such as backlit and is water resistant. It allows you to weigh and record up to 8 measurements at a time and will display each weight in size order. The clip is also designed for catch and release fishing and can be easily set. Number 3. Boga Grip Fish Scale. The Boga grip is designed to promote catch and release fishing, as it will land, handle, and weigh fish quickly and simultaneously without injury to the fish. It also affords an easy opportunity to inspect and take pictures of the fish. The Boga grip is particularly good for handling fish in cold weather or hard-to-handle fish such as toothy fish. It also keeps a fisherman's hand at a safer distance from hooks. This fish scale is generally tube-shaped, with one end serving as the grip and scale, and the other end with a pair of jaws. It has a trigger sleeve that slides along the main tube, serving as an opening and closing means as well as a lock. The grip consists of a sleeve tube covered with a non-slip grip. The main tube has a precision scale embossed in it to match each scale spring, and the scale is calibrated using certified weights to ensure accuracy within 1 increment. It is very strong and resistant to conditions encountered while fishing in fresh or salt water.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. Entsport Professional Fish Scale. If you're looking for a fish scale that doesn't come with the normal fish scale, you'll love everything about the Entsport. This professional fish scale is designed for single-handed operation, and it's extremely easy to use. The high-quality stainless steel construction of this fish scale provides you with a long-lasting tool that has the strength to help you wrangle prize-winning fish. Its material is also corrosion-resistant, which reduces the risk of damage as you expose it to the water. It has an extra-wide opening that will fit inside the jaws of various fish species with ease, which means less stress on you and your fish. It also comes with an EVA handle that provides a secure grip and includes a carrying lanyard. In addition to the optional measuring tape, the Entsport comes with a weight scale. The scaling system is remarkably similar to the Boga grip, but the Boga is capable of weighing up to 60 pounds while the maximum on this one is just 33. This isn't a big deal to most anglers, but if you're hoping for a heavy catch, the Entsport is worth the extra money.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. Dr.meter Backlit Fish Scale. If you are searching for the best fish scale, then the Dr.meter Backlit Fish Scale is the best option for people who have a limited budget but do not want to compromise on quality. This fish scale is one of the most popular scales among anglers. They are appreciated for their accuracy, portability, and affordable price. The scales themselves are made of high-density ABS. This material is durable and serves long years. The handle is made of metal and the hook is stainless steel. It comes with a premium stainless steel hook. The hook is designed to endure a lot of punishment and is simply made to survive. Its fishing digital scale comes with an LCD screen that gives a clear display of weight. The screen lets you flick through different weighing units and has a data lock feature as well as an auto-off function. Another feature that's built into the scale is a tape measure that stretches out to 1 meter long, letting you measure the fish if ever you need to. Moreover, the scale is equipped with 2 AAA batteries for long-duration usage. That's it for today. If you like our video, then a sub will be amazing. Here are the top 7 fish scales on the market for you. Hope you found what you were looking for. So don't forget to leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.